Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can display a world clock on your Google Calendar home screen. So when you're in the general settings, scroll down a little bit until you find World Clock. You should have the option to toggle Show World Clock on or off. Mine is currently off. I'm going to click on it to turn it on. And right now it has my current time zone as the default, but what I can do here, because this is World Clock, I can add a few extra time zones, and let me show you what happens when I do that. So let me choose a different time zone. Let's go Indianapolis. So now I have Chicago time, Eastern time, and because I've done that, if I exit back out of here and I go to my Google Calendar home screen, notice now in this main menu on the left, I actually get a little indication of the different time zones that I've selected and what time it is in those time zones. All right, and if I want to turn that off, I can just go back to Settings, turn off Show World Clock. Notice my two selections for the time zones that I wanted to display did not get deleted. So if I want to turn this back on later, I will still have those two time zones showing up.